Banh Mi is something I eat often. It's a Vietnamese sandwich for those who don't know, a affordable eat for under $10. The Bay Area is filled with banh mi shops, with a lot being mom and pop. Here are my top 5 banh mi spots in the Bay. Let's start with number 5, Dragon Eats. They got 5 locations in San Francisco. It's the most expensive one on our list at $8.50 per sandwich. Keep in mind, it's located in San Francisco. I really love their juicy roast pork banh mi. It comes with roast pork, pate, mayo, carrot, pickled daikon, cilantro, cucumber, and jalapeno. I mean it when I say it's juicy. Every bite you take super tender, super flavorful, and loaded with juice.
The meat is super tender. That's a lot of meat.
Number 4, Duc Huong. With 4 locations located in San Jose, Duc Huong has some of the most unique banh mi selections.
Korean pork banh mi.
They have size options from small to large with a price range of $4 to $8. You would think more variety means less focus on the quality of the sandwich, but all of the sandwich I tried at Duc Huong was pretty good. Even the spicy Korean pork banh mi. Yes, Korean banh mi. Number 3, Kam Hong. Widely compared to my number 1 selection, get your banh mi for $5 to $6. The bread is fresh with a crispy crust and soft airy inside. The airy bread allows the sauce to soak in, giving the banh mi experience a more flavorful bite. Number 2, Saigon Sandwich. How much risk are you willing to take for a delicious banh mi? Saigon Sandwich is located in the center of Tenderloin. Good luck finding parking. Saigon Sandwich has a small menu with average price of $5 to $6. Their special combination is delicious, but ultimately, I had to go with the roast pork like Dragon Eats. Number 1, Ba, the Oakland location. I come here more often than every other banh mi spots combined. With an average price of $5 to $6 per sandwich, a parking lot in the back, location might be grimy.
Probably the most popular spot here in Oakland for Vietnamese sandwich.
I
Yeah.
think a lot of us actually went there. Like that was our first banh mi spot.
They're known for their number 2 and number 13. It's usually topped off with carrot, daikon, cilantro, jalapeno, cucumber, and either pate or mayo, sometimes even both, and whatever protein you choose.
Banh Mi Ba.
So which of the 5 banh mi spots would you try? Let me know by commenting below. On our next food adventure, we have a Oakland Hole in the Wall series coming your way, so consider subscribing so you don't miss out. Until then, travel heads.